welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be back to film my first hair tutorial. Today I'm gonna create a beachy wavy hairstyle. I hope you guys love it. Before we start, I'm gonna talk about this hair product that I'm using currently, and I'm so obsessed with it. It smells amazing and it's so nice. So it's this product by Joon. The three main ingredients in this hair elixir are rose, pistachio, and saffron. Rose, it helps to repair the hair, while pistachio has its own fatty acids, proteins, and vitamins that helps to nourish and moisturize for a bouncy and smooth hair. And the main ingredients are saffron, which is beautiful and floats away as you shake the bottle. It's known to strengthen the hair. Comes with this squeeze applicator. I like to put a few drops in the palm of my hands and work it in my hair. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now, and it's such a great product. I use it on my ends because my hair is super dry and I have such a long hair, and sometimes it needs that extra hydration, and this oil elixir, it gives that shine back to my hair and it detangles. So it comes in a box like this, beautiful packaging. It's gold detail packaging. I love it. What this hair elixir does, it detangles, defreezes, moisturizes, absolutely not greasy at all. And what it does, it adds shine. And also, one of my favorite thing is it also is a heat protectant, which is such a plus. Another thing I love that they don't test on animals. It also protects you from UV rays. Guys, this hair oil, it smells so amazing. I love it. I will put the link down below for you guys. If you're interested, go to their website and purchase it right away because you must. It's such a great product. And let's go ahead and begin our tutorial, shall we? So as you can see, I have a frizzy wavy hair with super dry ends. What I love about this Joon hair oil, it helps to tame away my flyaways and my frizzy hair. So what I like to do, put a few drops in palm of my hands, then from mid halfway, then work the product to my ends. And I love it, smells super amazing, and it just adds shine back to my hair and makes it all healthy. To distribute the product evenly to my hair, I'm gonna use a paddle brush to brush through my hair, and this is gonna take away any knots or tangles out of my hair. Get a hair clip and section away my hair so it's not in the way of me curling. So I'm gonna get the curling iron and do another little 1-inch section of the hair. Make sure the hair is away from your face, and since I have such thick long hair, I set the temperature for the curling iron to at least 320 to 350 Fahrenheit, and make sure to set the hair for at least about 10 to 15 seconds. This way the curls stay on longer. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this whole process, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the hair is away from your face. Also, as I mentioned earlier, this hair elixir by Joon has heating protectant in it, so when I use heat, my hair doesn't get damaged and I'm good to go. Next, I like to use a white comb and brush through my hair and get that effortless look. Then I'm gonna use the saffron elixir again, and I'm gonna put it through my hair and get that extra shine that I want to achieve. Alright guys, this is the soft wavy hairstyle I achieved using a few products, especially the hair oil that made my hair super soft and I can't stop touching it. And here's the before and after picture. As you can see, the frizziness is gone and I have a shiny, healthy looking hair. I'm gonna move forward and do another hairstyle. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair in a pony with a black hair elastic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get a little section of my hair from the bottom of the pony and wrap it around it. Next, with a bobby pin, I'm gonna go ahead and secure that piece of the hair. Alright guys, this is how to achieve half up and half down Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle. It is so easy and fun to style, and you can wear it sleek and straight or wavy and curly. And a soft wavy hair. Comment below and let me know what you guys think of these two hairstyles and which one is your favorite. Also, let me know if you want me to do more hair tutorials. Lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye!